What's up, you guys? Hey, it's your girl Centric, and welcome back to my channel. If you already read the title, then you know what's about to go down. We are back with another fashion finesse / thrift flip. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. Okay, so I had like a shirt, it had like holes in it, and I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to transform it into a 3-piece set that could be worn 6 different ways. You guys, you gotta watch this video. Enough talking, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the shirt we're going to be transforming. It's so pretty and soft, so let's get into it. The first thing I did was take off the neck part. I'm cutting through the inside seam just so it could have a nicer, clean look. Take your time, and yeah. So now I'm going to make a half circle cut. So you just want to try this on, figure out where you're going to make your cut. I'm using this chalk to mark so I could see where this half circle is going to be. So once you make the cut, just set that to the side. We're going to use this bottom piece to make our tube top. So you want to try this on, mark the length of your top, fold it in half, make sure it's even, lined up, and then you're going to just make a straight cut straight across. Once you make your cut, you should have something like this. I need this to be real fitted, so I'm going to try it on, mark where I'm going to take it in. I'm actually just going to take it in on one side. So yeah, I'm going to do a straight stitch all the way down, cut the extra fabric, and go back in and do a zigzag stitch. So you should really have something like this. Okay, and now it's time to hem the bottom. I decided to add elastic at the bottom, so I'm going to do a fold hem all the way around, and making sure that the tunnel is big enough to fit my elastic. Once you pin it, this is how it should look, and then I'm going to just do a zigzag stitch all the way around. Remember to leave an opening because you're going to add your elastic. You guys, I do this all the time. So yeah, just once you add the elastic, you're going to just feed it all the way through and bring it to the other side, and then you're going to just sew the 2 pieces of the elastic together. Okay, like this. I usually do a straight stitch. Okay, and that is how it looks. Super simple and so easy, you guys. Then I'm gonna just take that top that I put to the side earlier and just do a zigzag stitch all the way around, just doing it to all the raw hem, so the top and the bottom. I'm not pulling the fabric as I sew, I'm just letting it go through and do its own thing. So yeah, just doing a zigzag stitch to the top and the bottom for the hem. And this is how it turned out, you guys. Exactly what I wanted and super easy to do. We're going to move on to the bikini top. I'm just using a top that I already made, and I'm going to trace out the pattern. The first thing I did was just mark all the 3 corners of the triangle for the top and the bottom, and you know, the side, like a triangle. And then I'm going to go back in and just basically connect the dots. Okay, like this. And once you do that, just go ahead and cut it out, and you should have something like this. I'm going to just take that piece and use it to trace out my other piece. Now I have 2 like this. This is exactly what you need. I'm going to go in and do a zigzag stitch all the way around my triangle pieces for the raw edges so it doesn't fray. You're going to do this to both of your pieces. And that is how it looks. Now I'm going to hem the bottom. This is where I'm going to add my bottom straps. So you want to make sure it's big enough for your straps. And then I'm just going to cut off the little extra triangle piece fabric that's sticking off, just so it could be an even triangle cup. Okay. Once you hem it, you're going to add the eyelets at the top. This is where you're going to tie your top straps. You guys, I can't talk right now. Okay, I'm going to make a tiny hole for the eyelet. Make sure it's really small because you don't want it to be too big. Okay, so once you put the eyelet through, you're going to take your eyelet puncher, whatever it's called, and then you're just going to just push down. So boom, that is how it looks. Everything is hem and sew. So now all I'm going to do is add my straps. I made these. I just crocheted, use my black crochet thread and needle, and yeah, crochet 3 straps, 2 for the top and 1 for the bottom. So yeah, I'm just taking both ends and sticking it through the eyelets, and then taking those ends and putting it through that, so kind of like a loop, tying it. And then I'm gonna actually do another knot just to make sure it's secure and don't come apart. So boom, that is how it looks. Now time to add the bottom part. So yeah, and for the bottom straps, you just want to make sure it's just long enough to tie around your back, you know. So yeah, we're gonna feed it through the first cup, and yeah, adding the safety pin just makes it easier to pull through. So we're just gonna pull it through the first all the way to the end, and then we're gonna add it to the other side too, to the other cup. And that is how it looks. Boom, you're basically done with everything. So we made 3-piece. So the first top, this is how it looks. It's just a simple little cute tube top. Nothing, you know, fancy, just simple. Boom. Okay, now we add that half circle crop top thing that we made, and you have look number 2. Boom. Easy. To get look number 3, we're just gonna take that and put it behind our back like so it could be like a little jacket, and boom, you have look number 3. So this is like a little, I guess it reminds me like a little crop jacket thing, you know. Boom, done. For look number 4, we have the bikini top. This was actually my favorite. I just love bikini tops because it just makes my chest look really good. Okay, so yeah, then we're going to add that crop thing, crop sweater. Boom, look number 5, you guys. This is so easy to make. You don't have to be an expert or anything to finesse your clothes or to, you know, turn something old into something new. So to get the last look, this was my favorite, okay? To get the last look, you just, you know, put the sweater behind your back, and you have this crop shoulder thing that you can also wear like this around your arm. Super cute, you guys. So simple. Like I said, you don't have to be an expert to flip your clothes. And yeah, comment below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.